In today's world, digital marketing occupies a huge place. Every business uses social media to promote its brand. Why? Because it can connect with a large audience for very cheap. Are there any cons to using social media? Well, for an individual who likes privacy, I guess so, but there is still the possibility to not post anything personal or anything at all. But for a business, I don't think there are any cons. When I moved in front of that bar, I was very curious about this place. It is a small neighborhood bar that doesn't look too clean but not too bad. So, what did I do? Obviously, I typed the name on Google, but then almost nothing except a link to their Facebook page and an article saying they got caught with a bug inside a liquor bottle. I then obviously went to their Facebook page because I wasn't satisfied with my investigation. The only posts there were reposts from a poker Facebook group who were saying that they were gonna go play poker at this bar on whatever night. Even the picture that they took on the internet to do their post of a woman not very much dressed playing poker were blurred, which meant they were not even able to keep the quality of a picture by doing a simple screenshot. Once again, I wasn't satisfied with my investigation, and the only thing I could do to finally discover something about this mysterious place was to go in there. So, one night, I convinced my boyfriend to go with me because obviously I was too scared to go by myself, and we could say we had a really awkward moment. When we entered, it was like in the movie when unwelcome people enter somewhere and everyone looks at them. At least in our situation, the music didn't stop, but I would say it is the only difference with those movie scenes. Everybody knew everybody and we felt very weird. Of course, this bar cannot live with only a small amount of regulars, and it probably explains why it is for sale since such a long time. It is not normal in 2022 to have to do this much research to find out about a business. Obviously, you cannot attract people this way. There are so many bars everywhere that you need a way to make sure customers come to your bar. Digital marketing is important because everyone is using it. People will just type bar near me, and if yours doesn't show up, well, no one will ever come except for those regulars. Nobody that is just looking for a place to drink will do as much research as I did. They want to know everything in 2 minutes. Picture, price, food, and everything that makes this bar stand out. Anything special they do. This bar tries to attract customers with unbelievable sales promotion, such as pint for $4.50 and pitcher for $14. And usually, like where I live, a pint is about $10, a pitcher is about $25. However, in 2022, why aren't those promotions written somewhere on the internet where they can actually be seen and attract customers? In conclusion, this bar has been for sale for years now and nobody wants to buy it. And it is easy to understand why. I use the bar across my street for an example because I was shocked by how few were the pieces of information I found. But it is important to understand that it applies to every business. Even if the business is a product instead of a bar or a restaurant, people still do their research the same way, and whatever thing you sell must be easily found on the internet in 2022.